going on YouTube? It's your homeboy here, Kino aka Chef Kev, coming with you with another episode. And on today's episode, I want to share with you my Japanese pancake recipe. It's a pancake without using any baking soda or baking powder. If you guys are new here to the channel, this is your time to subscribe to our channel. And if you really want to support us, give us a thumbs up. And let's begin. The first step is to separate the egg yolks from the protein. I'm going to show you two ways how to do it. The first way is just to use the eggshell itself. If you don't want to get messy with your hands, you can use the eggshell. But if you guys want to do it like the pros, just toss the egg in and then afterwards, just scoop it out. Scoop out the yolk with your hands. It's easy peasy. After we separated our protein from our yolks, we are gonna add to the bowl our 3 yolks, and we are gonna add a 1/4 cup of soy milk. Give it a whisk, then add 1/8 cup of sugar. Give it another whisk. Then we are gonna add a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give that a whisk. Then afterwards we're gonna add 2 big scoops of sieved flour. Give it a fine mix. Using your mixer until you have a smooth custard. Once your custard is foamy and gooey and whitish, it is ready. Now it's time to move on to the protein, the white yolks. We are going to use a mixer and start beating up the eggs till it starts to become foamy. Once it becomes foamy, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and another 1/8 cup of granulated sugar. Give it 10 minutes with a good mix and voila! We have the white foam for the pancakes. Now it's time to combine our 2 ingredients together, our custard and our meringue. Now the easy way to do it is to add 2 scoops of the meringue to the custard, give it a good mix, then afterwards add the whole meringue and fold it in gently because we don't want to defoam any of the bubbles inside of the meringue. We want it foamy. After we mixed our pancake mix, it's time to put it inside a pastry bag and start cooking. On a hot pan, we are gonna add our pancake mix, scoop by scoop, using the pastry bag. I know that it doesn't look good right now, but wait till the end results. Why? Add a teaspoon of water to add some vapor and keep the fire in control. Let it cook for 3 minutes, then flip it around. Afterwards, add another teaspoon of water and let it cook for another 1.5 minutes. Just be careful not to flip them before the 3-minute mark or the pancakes will deflate. After 3 minutes, our pancakes are ready. Why? They are so fluffy. I can't believe that we made Japanese pancakes. Why? They are so fluffy, so tasty. Let's do 3 more. I forgot to tell you guys that this pancake mix recipe will only work if you guys use it immediately. You cannot put it inside the fridge or put it to the side or anything else. You have to use it immediately, or the pancake batter will lose its form. And this is the end result. Why? The perfect pancake without using any baking soda, baking powder. So fluffy, so tasty, so tender. You could see the fluff. Oh my god. Wow. But you guys know that every chef has to taste his end result before he serves it to the people. So now I'm gonna choose a pancake and I'm gonna take a bite. You can see the fluff. Wow. And an explosion of taste is inside my mouth. Wow. I just finished that pancake in one gulp. And this is the time to say to everyone, thank you very much for watching our show, How to Do at Home. I am Kino, aka Chef Kev, coming with you every week with a new episode. If you guys are new here to the channel, this is your time to subscribe to our channel. And if you love the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Till then, keep safe, stay home. Love you guys. Peace.